Boasting the industry's top-class energy saving rating, Panasonic dryers are kind to the environment, your clothes, and your purse. The key to this performance is cutting-edge inverter heat pump technology. Instead of using a conventional heater, it extracts thermal energy from the atmosphere to create hot air. Heat is absorbed by the evaporator to create hot, dry air, which is sent to the drum to dry clothes. Moist air is returned to the heat pump unit, where the condenser cools the air and removes moisture to create dry air that is once again sent to the evaporator. The heat pump circulates heat in this closed cycle without using a heater. That's why it can dry with less electricity. The inverter compressor offers flexible rotation speed and enables drying at various temperatures. This gives you more flexibility and delivers optimum drying results without any compromise on energy saving. 3D air circulation dries laundry in the drum in 3 dimensions for uniform and efficient drying performance. Intelligent twin drying sensors monitor the load and the residual moisture to achieve optimum drying results. This prevents overheating and avoids wasted energy. Outstanding efficiency and energy saving with a Panasonic inverter heat pump tumble dryer.